Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is Charan. Let's continue the Python tutorial series. Now in this video tutorial I will explain how to print the alternative list elements in Python. So let's start the tutorial. Now let's check the final output of our application. Python alternative list le.py, enter. And notice here the original list of items elements are 34, 1900. This is the original list of items and this is the output. We got alternative items.
If you are a first time visitor to my channel, please subscribe to get the latest updates.
For this video tutorial I am using Visual Studio Code. First let's add our folder to a VS Explorer. After that I am adding one new file, alternative list elements.py, and here the newly created file is open. First I am declaring one variable list1 is equals to I am adding some numbers here 34, 9, 100, 8, 3, 5, 90, 12. Just for the demo purpose I have added some list of objects, numeric values. Now my aim is I want to print the original list elements is list1, and this list1 we need to concatenate with the string function. After that this statement will print the original list of elements. Now the code is for x in list1 between square brackets I am adding 0 colon double colon 2. So every alternative number I want to print. So print x comma n is equals to empty space between the list of items I want to print, give the gap. Now let's save this file. We'll check the final output. Save, go to view, click terminal. Now let's check the final output of our application. Python alternative list le.py, enter. And notice here the original list of items elements are 34, 1900. This is the original list of items and this is the output. We got alternative items. Now the second method I will show you how to print 9, 8, 5 and 12. Notice here in the x in list1 instead of 0 I am adding 1. That's it. Now let's save this file. We'll check the new output and the command is enter. See here we got the new output. It printing the alternative elements of the object 9, 8, 5 and 12. That's it. In this video tutorial I have explained how to print the alternative list of objects in Python. Thanks for watching this video tutorial. Please subscribe, share and leave your valuable comment. We'll catch you in my next video tutorial.